Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun game for you to try. It's the shoe hunt. Now all you need to do is gather all of the clean shoes that you have around the house and put them in front of everybody. So whoever's playing, you're going to choose one person to hide one part of the pair. Then the person who wasn't watching, or the people who weren't watching, you're going to divide up the leftover halves of the pairs, and then you know what you're looking for. So you're going to find the other part to your pair. Happy hunting. This has been Discovery at Home. We're excited to see how you play at your house.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.